Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and today I'm doing something that I didn't think I was going to be doing because I forgot about this. But today I'm going to be unboxing my Truly mystery box subscription. So if you want to see what's in my mystery box subscription, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay. So I did not plan on filming this video because I honestly forgot this was coming. I actually put mine on pause at the beginning of the summer because if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I live in Houston. It is very hot here. So in fact, today it was 104. So I actually paused my subscription for the summer months because every time that I got a box from Truly in the summer, everything was melted. I was wasting my money. I was wasting Truly's time with customer service. And you know what? I'm just gonna pause it. So now I am getting my subscription again and let's unbox it. I also this box is huge. Now I do get the bigger one, which is I believe is $135. I know there is a smaller one that might be just under $100 or just at $100. I will go ahead and put the details on the screen and I will also put the details in the description box. But look. This sticker says handle with care, is fragile. And of course my box cutter is downstairs, so you know, I gotta be fancy with the acrylic scissors. All right, this is what it looks like. And now I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and dive in. I'm kind of excited. I haven't bought anything from Truly since the beginning of the summer. Oh my God, you know what? This is going to be my last box because this is the same box. I can already tell by the bag that's in here that this is the same box that I got at the beginning. This was the same box I got as my last box, if that makes any sense. I already have this bag. This is what I got last time, which was in May or April. Okay, calm down. I didn't. I just read the details. Okay. I have gotten that bag so many times. I am so over it. I got that bag twice before. So I have one for myself and then I gave one to my mom because she really liked the bag. And now I have another. Oh, and I gave one to my wife. So I've had it 3 times before. This is my 4th SpongeBob bag. Truly, if y'all can't get rid of them, put them in TJ Maxx. My God, stop putting them inside the subscription box. Okay. This is how everything's wrapped up from Truly, which is actually pretty smart because I have never received anything broken from Truly. Have I received stuff melted? Yes. Broken? Never. So in here, which it is slightly melted, and I'm not too concerned about it, I will still use it. This is the Goodnight Moon Chest Neck Sleep Mask. I actually have this product and I really enjoy it, especially if my chest feels really dry. I like to put this on before I go to bed. So I enjoy this. I like the smell of it. It smells like the icy your boobies. So far, minus the bag, I'm happy with the actual product I received. Oh my God, I take everything back, Truly. I will stay subscribed. I am out of this. I have been too lazy to go to the store to go get this. Thank you, Truly. I am now happy with my subscription box. This is the Cocoa Cloud Aftershave Moisturizer. I'm completely out of this. This is my favorite product from Truly. And I'm excited that it was in my subscription box because this is a $36 product. It is expensive. And honestly, I've been too lazy to go repurchase it because they haven't had it at my Ulta, close to my house, and they haven't had it at the Ulta in Target. So I was like, man, if I order it, I have to spend so much to get free shipping and all this, so I've just been putting it off. I'm really excited to have this. I have mentioned several times on why I love this product, how much I love this product. Check out one of my empties and I'll explain it all there. Okay, I actually got a product I have not tried before. And look, it kind of matches my eye look. Okay. Anyway, this is the Anti-Cellulite Resurfacing Body Serum. I'm excited. I'll try this. I mean, nothing's going to take away cellulite, but I like products that are going to bring extra moisture to my skin. But this does contain retinol, and I have used the Icy Your Boobies, which contains retinol. I haven't really seen a difference, but I'm also under 30, so So we got the, I believe this is the last product here. Okay, so minus the bag, Truly actually really nailed this box, and I'm actually really happy with it. Because this is the Tansy Water. This is an anti-blemish body mist. I have like 1/4 of an inch left of my current Tansy mist. I have acne, and I also get like some bumps in the back of my arms and along with the back of my legs. And I use this spray, and honestly, all summer, my back has been, I've had small breakouts, but it has been way better than it usually is. So I like the idea that I got my subscription and it has restocked products that I love and I was running out of. So there's actually one more little product, and that is a keychain. So this is just a truly House of Beauty keychain. I actually already have this keychain from a previous mystery box, and it's actually on my car keys currently. So I might go ahead and add this one to my mail key, or just put it on maybe a piece of luggage or a large tote bag. I haven't decided. But I think getting something like this is actually kind of cute, so I'm not mad at it. I mean, I'm a little mad at the bag, okay? Like the bag, man. Because I actually have, let me talk about the bag. Now, I'm not hating on the style of the bag because I have one in pink and I have one in like a Tiffany blue shade. I have a white one that has yellow smiley faces all over it. I love all of my bags, and of course the SpongeBob bag, I now have two. This bag is huge, okay, and it has a dual zip right here, and you can store so much stuff in this bag. It is great for traveling, so I love it. The thing is, I'm not a fan of SpongeBob. I don't enjoy it. I think it kind of just like, I'm at the age where where I was too old for it, and it never really, I just never really wanted to watch it. My little brother watched it, but it wasn't just, I never liked it. I didn't think it was funny. I kind of think it's a little stupid. Okay? So to get this damn SpongeBob bag so many times, it is so annoying. But you know what? This year I kind of want to do a giveaway for Christmas, and you know what? Someone's going to get a Truly bag in their giveaway. Along with other things. Like I'll probably like fill this up. That might be a cute idea. So maybe you should stay tuned for that. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Do you think I should keep my Truly subscription, or is it time to move on? I don't know. But until next time, bye y'all.